guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So you guys asked for it. You guys were like, we want a part 2 to my drugstore beauty takeover video that I did a few weeks back. So I was like, all right, I heard you guys. We are here and I have a lot of really good products here. Like products that I pretty much use every single day. So I can say that I have like 50 items here. I probably have about like 8 items here that I really want to talk to you guys about. Items that are in heavy rotation in my daily routine. So with that being said, if you guys are interested in my, what am I calling this? Like drugstore beauty takeover, drugstore favorites. I guess drugstore favorites is what makes the most sense. Then if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. I want to start off with hair because I didn't get to talk about these in the last video because by the end of that video, I was literally exhausted. So what's up we have from TRESemmé. This is brand new from their A-list collection. This is their workable hairspray. You guys, I love this because not only do you have 2 options here, you have strong hold, you have light hold, but you guys, it's so affordable. It does such a great job at holding your hair in place and it's lightweight. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It smells incredible. And you know how sometimes you get like that crunchy feeling when you like put these in, like when you put hairspray in your hair? You don't get that with this. Like it's very workable, it's brushable. I absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. When it comes to hairspray, the drugstore just knows what they're doing. Like I personally do not purchase high-end hairspray. Like I literally only purchase ever drugstore hairspray. And this one, you guys, has quickly become my favorite. Oh yeah, with that being said, I am obsessed. And we have another product from their new A-list line. This is their signature fragrance hair perfume. You guys, when I first saw this in Target, I literally was like, no way. There's no way that their signature scent is in a hair perfume. And you guys, it is very much true and no joke. Your hair will literally smell incredible. It has notes of golden vanilla, sandalwood. It's literally TRESemmé. So if you've ever smelled anything from TRESemmé, then you would know their signature scent, and that is this. And you guys, I am actually almost out of this. I need to repurchase it soon because I use it so much. Especially on like day 2 or day 3 of like hair wash day, like you haven't washed your hair in a few days, gets a little stinky. Spray some of this in there and I can almost guarantee you, you will be stinky no more. So yeah, I am literally obsessed with this. This new line from them, the A-list line, 10 out of 10. I highly recommend you guys check it out. It's actually all of the hair products that I have to talk to you guys about. Let's get into the fun. Oh, actually, I'm lying. There's one more. There's one more, and this is so important. It's crazy. This is from Garnier. This is their Frizz Tamer. I have spoke about this on TikTok, you guys. This is no joke, a non-negotiable for me. So this literally is like a hair mascara without the crunch. So I have, you can see it right now, like these little baby hairs that just grow, like they don't belong there. So I will literally just take this and watch. Ooh, she is gone. You can use it to tame your frizz on the top. You can use it for a slick back. This, no joke, will keep your hair out of your face all day long. I mainly use this just for my baby hairs because like you saw, like one that goes there, but then I also have a bunch that I already like tucked away before. And you guys, this literally cleans up all your baby hairs. It's amazing. It's like $8 or $9 at the drugstore. It is 10 out of 10. I used to use brow gel and then I started using this and I was like, oh, why haven't I been using this the whole time? If your hair feeling crunchy, it is literally a 10 out of 10. I am obsessed with it. So I will not be without this. Like every time I go out, every time I travel, like this comes with me because it is so good. It is a non-negotiable. I'm actually running out of it. I'm gonna need a re-up soon, okay? Now we can get into makeup. So I want to talk about 2 setting sprays. So we have one from ColourPop and we have one from L'Oreal. So let's start with the ColourPop one. This is their Pretty Fresh one. This one, you guys, you have more of like drier skin and you kind of want to add like a little bit of glow and hydration back to your skin. This is what I love that for. And I do use it to set my makeup in place all day, especially when I go to work. I have no issues with my makeup separating or looking dry or looking cakey. None of that. I absolutely love this. But if you really want to lock your makeup into place, like you don't want that bitch to move, this is going to be the setting spray for you. A lot of people say this is a dupe for the one size one, which is crazy because I actually hate the Until Dawn one. Like I tried it once and I was like, oh, this is horrible. It literally dried out my skin so bad, but I actually used this today to set my face and you can see that my skin does not look dry. My makeup is not separating. I still have a nice healthy glow peeking through. So I absolutely love this. I actually did a video like testing this to see if it was waterproof because this says it's transfer resistant and waterproof for up to 36 hours. That's a bold claim if you ask me. So I was like, we need to put this bitch to the test. So I did, and you guys, my makeup definitely indeed was waterproof. So if you want to go swimming with the full beat on, this is going to be the setting spray for you. And I think it's like $12, but it is quickly become one of my holy grail setting sprays. I'm obsessed with it. But if you have dry, like super, super dry skin, you may want to stay away from this and pick up the ColourPop one. But as you can see, I do use this a lot because I love it. And this one is more of a recent discovery of mine that I am absolutely obsessed with. Drugstore is really stepping up their game when it comes to setting sprays. And you guys, these, in my opinion, are a 10 out of 10. L'Oreal is one of those brands that I feel like this year is just coming out with hit after hit after hit. So they have their new setting spray, they have their viral lip oil that I actually spoke about in my last Drugstore favorites video. Now they have their viral pink setting powder. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Blur Affection setting powder. This is in the shade, which shade is it? I know it's light pink something. I can never find it on Drugstore things, but I'm pretty sure it's like the lightest shade that it comes in. This is the talc-free setting powder, and for me to be talking about a talc-free setting powder, you need to know that it's good, okay? Because I am not a big talc-free girl when it comes to setting my under eyes. Like, I need talc in it. Like, the Huda Beauty one is top 10. Like, it is top tier. Like, nobody's ever taking her place, but this is definitely a close second because it leaves my under eyes looking so smooth. I did a whole video dedicated just to the setting powder, and you guys, my under eyes looked incredible. I didn't insert a clip for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about because you guys, like I said, if I'm talking about a talc-free setting powder, then it has to be good. And this, you guys, is definitely worth all of that hype that it has been getting lately because it is very good. Not big into drugstore powders either. I mainly use my Huda Beauty one. Like, she is my tried and true. But this one, you guys, especially like day to day, this is amazing. So yeah, if you haven't tried her yet, I definitely think you need to. And they're launching a new tinted serum and I need it. I need it like yesterday, but it's not available in the States yet. And it's bothering me because I really need to get my hands on it. Like, I need it. It just looks incredible. So I hope that they launch it here soon because I would really love if I could find a drugstore like go-to when it comes to like tinted serums. Like, yeah, I would love that. Speaking of tinted whatever, this is brand new from Maybelline. And you guys, let me tell you one thing. This is their Lifter Multi-Use Stick. I was absolutely gagged when I tried this. Like, I don't know what I was really expecting, but I wasn't expecting my skin to literally look like I was wearing a filter. I'm going to insert a video or a picture so you guys can see. The way my skin looks every single time I wear this product is incredible. It literally looks like I'm wearing a frigging filter on my skin. Put it through a test. I wore it to work every single day last week, and I put my makeup on in the morning at 7:30 in the morning. I don't take it off till around 8 o'clock at night, so it gets a good like almost 13-hour wear test. You guys, this did not separate, did not cake up, did not flake, did not anything. Like, my skin, it may have faded coverage throughout the day, but it faded in a way where my skin didn't look dry, didn't look cakey, my makeup wasn't separating. Like, I am absolutely obsessed with this. It literally is your skin, but better. Like, it gives you beautiful coverage without looking like you have makeup on. Like, I don't know what's in here, but it's literal magic. I am obsessed with this. This is going to be heavy in my routine, especially for summertime, because it's so easy to use. It's like a 1, 2, 3, one and done. Your skin looks incredible. You look like you're wearing a filter. Like, what more could you ask for? I don't know. But all I'm saying is this is absolutely incredible and really, really blew my mind. 10 out of 10. Like, you guys need this. Looking for full coverage on a budget, you are going to want to pick up this from e.l.f. This is their Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I have spoke about this since it came out. I have done so many videos on it, so many wear tests on it. It is $8 and it is incredible. If you are somebody that doesn't want to break the bank when it comes to a medium to full coverage foundation, you are going to want to pick this up. It is insane. Again, I've spoke about it a million times. It gives you such nice coverage. It is thicker than, like, for example, the Lifter Stick. So if you don't want something that feels like a little bit thick on your skin, you may not like this. But in my opinion, I really don't care. Like, I like to wear this to work. I like to wear this every single day. It is amazing. And for $8, you guys, $8, why have you not tried this? Like, I don't know why you haven't. If you haven't, let this be your sign that you need to pick this up because it is one of the best foundations at the drugstore. I only speak truth over here, so sorry, but yeah, that is one of the best foundations available at the drugstore. The last product I want to talk to you guys about is newer to my collection, but you guys, it has blown my mind. No joke, been sitting in this chair all day raving about this product. I just did a whole demo for TikTok. This is brand new from Verse. It's their daily sunscreen with SPF 50. Guys, I have never in my life been able to wear a regular SPF underneath my makeup without my makeup separating, looking cakey, without it pilling. You guys, look at my skin. Do you see any dryness? Do you see any cakiness? Do you see any pilling? No. That is because this literally is like a moisturizer. I can't describe it, but it is unlike any other texture of a sunscreen that I've ever tried. It's not too thick. Like, you know when you can put a like sunscreen on and it can feel like a moisturizer, but it goes on really thick? Like, no, this goes on like a lightweight moisturizer, but still gives you hydration without being heavy or slimy or greasy or pilling or leaving a white cast. There is a little magic in here. Like, I cannot say it enough. Subscribe to Verse email list. So I was getting so many emails about this sunscreen and I was like, all right, I need to see what the hype is about. Like, why do they keep sending me emails saying that the reviews are in, everybody's loving it? And I was like, okay, we need to try it for myself. And you guys, I am gagged. Like, I am not a girl that wears an individual like SPF underneath my makeup. I like to wear like a moisturizer that already has SPF in it. This, you guys, is going to be in heavy rotation for the entire summer. Like, I am absolutely mind blown with this. So if you're like me and you struggle when it comes to finding a good sunscreen that wears well underneath makeup, that doesn't pill, that doesn't feel too greasy, that doesn't feel too thick, you guys, this sunscreen, I am not kidding, is the best that I have ever tried when it comes to mixing it with makeup. Available at the drugstore, so like what more could you ask for? Really did their thing when it comes to this. Like, it is out of this world. So that completes this drugstore beauty takeover slash drugstore favorites video. I don't really know what we're calling this yet. Like, I called the last one drugstore takeover, so maybe we'll call this one the same thing. I don't know. These are all of the products that I absolutely adore from the drugstore that aren't going to break the bank, that are still going to give you like amazing results. Like, I love all these products. They are my tried and trues. Two are definitely newer to the rotation, but you guys, I promise you, when I say they are incredible, they are absolutely incredible. Let me know in the comments what drugstore products you guys absolutely love. Have you seen the ads for the new L'Oreal tinted serum? Like, I have, because I need it in my life. Like, I am manifesting that they email me and send it to me, or they bring it to the States soon, because you guys, I need to try that ASAP. You guys, so that completes this video. Please let me know in the comments what other videos you guys would like to see from me so I can make that happen. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.